So we went ahead and ordered this dent pulling system. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new episode on our 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road here at the Orange Wires Garage. We've been working really hard on this thing. You might remember in that last episode, we worked trying to get this spring hanger and everything all fixed up because this spring is bent. It's bent really bad. We ordered two different springs from two different places, and they canceled our order both times. So I finally was able to run out to the junkyard. We picked up the spring. We've got some stuff ordered to work on this body work. We got huge plans for this thing. So y'all stay tuned. Let's grab the spring. Let's get to work. Let's get it swapped out. Man, we made just quick work of that. We got this spring in. We went ahead and bolted everything in. We took it for a little short test drive and everything just seems to check out perfectly. So we got the drive shaft here and we got a boot where this boot got damaged. So why don't we go ahead and punch that off our list, fix this drive shaft, and then we'll throw the drive shaft back up under the truck. And that should complete our suspension work as long as everything measures out okay. So let's get this drive shaft put back together and put under the truck and take it for a real test drive. It is the next day here. We're super excited today. We ordered something online just to kind of help us out. I know a bunch of y'all have heard of Maxident dent pulling system. Those are really good. They're also really expensive. But we didn't want to use a stud gun on this cab corner and rocker panel. But I really feel like that it'd be too invasive to just cut all that off when we could just pull that out. So we went ahead and ordered this dent pulling system. This is a cheaper one off of eBay. I think this one was like $265 plus tax. It comes with your wand and a bunch of different tips, and you just hook it up to the truck, just tack it on and slide hammer it out without having to just put a stud on, take a stud off. It's a lot less invasive and it helps the metal. So it actually comes with two different slide hammers. This is the actual ground. This is not a video about the machine. just kind of want to tell you what we're going to do. I feel like the best bet's going to be this wiggle wire to pull that rocker out. And then it comes with some tabs. We're going to try to pull that cab corner out. I think it's going to work really, really well. I hope that it does. The only other thing that we could do would be to weld some tabs on and pull it out with like a frame machine or something. But you know, if this doesn't work, we'll cut it off and we'll put a new one on. But I feel like that it's really going to work, and the damage is very minimal here. If you look down here at the damage, I mean, it's just very minimal. I've already got most of all this out of the door. It's really easy to do. Just take the door panel off. So we're going to go ahead and grind all the paint off this. We're going to fire this machine up. We're going to see how it works. So that's enough talking. Let's get to work. Man, check this out. This turned out absolutely amazing. It took a few hours. That tool, it worked pretty good. Still getting the feel of that, but what we're going to do now is we picked up some fiberglass from U-Pole, and that's going to make this really rigid on this cab corner and this rocker. So we pulled it all out. It looks pretty good. So let's put some of this on here and let's see how it all works out. I think it's going to be fine. I think it's going to be perfect. So let's hop to it and put some fiberglass in. Man, and just like that, we got the cab corner looking really good. Everything turned out 100% on this thing. If you look down here and you check this out, that looks really, really good. We also worked on this door. We got all of that all fixed up. So what we're ready to do now is get some primer. So we're gonna get some primer and go ahead and put about 3 coats of primer on it, see how it all looks. Really super happy that we decided to go ahead and fix this because it turned out amazing. Can't wait to see what it looks like in primer. And then I'll be paint after that. So let's get to priming and see how it looks. And man, just like that, we got the cab corner fixed, we got the door fixed, we got the rocker fixed. It was all fixed with the little Dent repair station that we ordered off eBay. It worked well for this job. Maybe it'll work well for many, many more. A lot less invasive than taking the inside apart and cutting all that stuff off and welding it all back on. So we've got a bunch of access holes in the bottom of the rocker, so we'll squirt a little cavity wax in there. And then at the cab corner, we'll squirt some cavity wax in there. It'll be good for a long, long time. But I think these gaps turned out amazing on this thing. This truck is ready for the booth. We'll get some paint on it, make it look 100% perfect. But I think we ran out of time for this video, guys. If you like this video and you like content like this, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always try to post there before YouTube. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you're thinking. We'll catch you guys next time. We're out.